Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to our science class. Today we are discuss exercise of the chapter 2, parts of a plant. In the previous class, we have already discussed main points of this chapter. In this class, we are discuss exercise of this chapter. So let's come to the topic. Before we discuss on exercise of this chapter, we recall main point of this chapter. Plant has two main parts. One is root and another is shoot. Root has two types: tap root and fibrous root. Function holds plants firmly and absorb water and minerals from the soil. But shoot has different parts like stem, leaf, flower, fruit and seeds. You know, leaf is known as kitchen of a plant because it produces food for whole plant. And flowers is also converted into fruit, and fruits is converted into seed. And new plants grow from this seed. Now discussion exercise of this chapter. First, multiply choice questions. That means it has three choices. You can take the right choices. You can take the right choices. Like this has a tap root. Which plants has a tap root? Grass, pea or wheat? Which plants? Pea. Pea has a tap root. Next, the leaves of a plant are called its dash. The leaves of a plant. Before I say, the leaves of a plant are called its kitchen. Why? Because leaves prepare food for the plant. We eat the leaves of this plant. Which plant's leaves we eat? Brinjal, potato, cabbage. No, brinjal is a fruit of plant and potato is also a root of plant. So, cabbage. Your answer will be cabbage. This has a teeny plants inside it, which is seed. This has a teeny plant inside. Your answer will be seed. These are most beautiful and colorful parts of a plant. Which is the most beautiful and colorful parts of plant? Which is roots, stem. We do not see roots, but stem is not colorful. Stem is browny color, but flower is different colors. So your answer will be flowers. Fruits are formed from dash. Fruits are formed from flowers. Dash is a seed. Lotus, wheat, rose. Lotus is a flower. Rose is also a flower. But wheat is a seed. So answer will be wheat. True or false? Write tree for true and A for false. Grasses have fibrous roots. True. Grasses have fibrous roots. Grasses have not main roots. A root holds the plant firmly in the soil. No, wrong. A root holds the plant firmly in the soil. Leaves prepare food for the plant. Yes, leaves prepare food for the plant. Mango has many seeds. No, mango has one seed. So it is wrong. Seeds are found inside a leaf. No, seeds are found inside a fruit. Fill up the two types of roots are dash. One is tap root, another one is fibrous root. The broad and flat part of a leaf is called leaf blade. The dash carry water to the leaf. The stem carry water to the leaf. Dash help a plant in reproduction. Which one helps? Flowers helps a plant in reproduction. A dash becomes a fruit. A flower becomes a fruit. Match column A with column B. The right way, like it absorbs water from the soil. Which one? Root. It grows into a new plant. Which one? Seed. It makes food for the plant. It is also known as kitchen of the plant, which is leaf. It carries food and water to the different parts of a plant. It carries food and water to the different parts of a plant, which are stem. It is the most beautiful part of a plant. Which one is one? Flower. Odd one out. That means you out the which was not similar to the other words like onion, potato, latex. Which one is other? Non-latex. You should out this word. Pumpkin, grapevine, money plant. No, grapevine and money plants are climbers, but pumpkin are creepers. So you out the pumpkin and rest is homework for you. Next, answer the following questions. This is a long question answer. What are the two main parts of plant? You know very well. The two main parts of a plant are root and shoot. What is the difference between taproot and fibrous root? First, you make a line middle, and left side you should write taproot, and right side you should write fibrous root. Then you do it. Thick main root below the stem, which goes deep into the soil, is called taproot, and a number of roots that grows at the end of a stem are called fibrous root. Several thinner side roots grow from the main root. This looks like a branch of no root. Example: taproot, mango, hibiscus, etc. and fibrous root: rice, wheat, grass. Next, state any two function of each. You do it in your book. I also write in your hard copy. Why are leaves called the kitchen of a plant? Why? Because leaves prepare food for the whole plant. What are seeds used for? What are seeds used for? Seeds are used for to grow new plants. Seeds are used for to grow new plants. What is germination? What do you mean by germination? Germination is the process by which seeds get enough of water, air and sunlight, and the baby plant starts growing and new plants come out. This process is known as germination. This is the comprehension of this chapter. You should write in your science copy and practice it again and again. The students, if you have any doubt, you may call me. Thank you.